Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's check in with weed, as there's certainly been lots of good action lately on it. Now, from the high on Monday, okay, at 33.33, we've actually been working an A, B, C decline, okay? Now, I've been benefiting, well, first of all, my longer term option positions, the October calls, just from the overall uptrend we've been in here. But on a shorter term time frame, I've also been intraday trading, if you will. And today was a particularly good day for that. So we had this initial move down in A, and then we had this subsequent move up in B. All right, and then at that point, I connected the parallel trend channel, just putting 1 point on the termination point of A, and then in parallel from the origin of A to the termination point of B, and extended out. And that just gave us that corrective price channel. And then I also did a Fibonacci relationship between A, and then I just put the equality relationship off the point of B to give a potential target for C. Okay, that's what this is right here. And that came at 31.47. And then wave C actually terminated at 31.41. So just 6 cents off of the actual Fibonacci target, right at the bottom of this channel as well. And then we immediately reacted off of there. Now I was working this, so maybe yesterday we were looking at something like this. Okay, I didn't see that C was done yet; it hadn't happened yet, but I was anticipating it. And so this morning when I saw that dump, that early morning dump, and then I saw it just start to hit the bottom of this channel and that Fibonacci, I immediately bought in. Not quite the low of the day, but pretty damn close. And then I rode this thing up all day long, okay? And I didn't sell right at the high of the day, but I sold close enough to it. And then it dumped into the close. Now, I wasn't actually planning on putting another position in after selling earlier today. But when I saw that dump into the close, I decided to buy back in. And I'll get to that in a moment why I did that. But I just want to show you, just on this short time frame, the symmetry and the proportions, the Fibonacci mathematics that all came into play here. It was just really beautiful, actually. Not only beautiful for making money from it, but just from observing it and recognizing that this kind of thing exists. It's still boggles my mind, even though I do this all the time. All right. Now, I'll get out the short-term time frames here, and I'll go to the daily, and I'll do a candlestick chart. So, overall, let me just get a little closer here. Overall, we definitely still look like we're coming out of our ABCDE triangle, but that won't truly be confirmed until we get above B, termination point of B as it's labeled here, which is at 34.71. We're not so far away. We're at 33.65 is the current high of this move. So we're less than $1, well, around $1 and change away, actually. I correct myself there. So just over $1 away, which we could certainly reach tomorrow if tomorrow's another bullish day, but we'll see. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to get back in after I saw that dump near the end of the day was, okay, so let me go in closer now. Today we put in a bullish engulfing candlestick, okay? We engulfed yesterday's and the day before's real bodies. So I believe that's Wednesday and Tuesday's real bodies. And we closed, well, not the high of the day, obviously, but we closed high enough in the candle that it certainly doesn't look like a concerning upper wick there. The real body's still quite large, is what I'm getting at. Oh, I'll also mention, you see this daily T-line? That also came into play right at the bottom of this trend channel that I was showing you on the 15-minute chart. And right near this Fibonacci equality relationship between A and C at 31.47. So a confluence of things really made an attractive buy-in this morning, and it certainly was. So those are my thoughts on weed for now. And remember, a bullish engulfing candlestick implies the next 3 to 5 candles will be in that direction. So the next 3 to 5 days, if this is confirmed by more positive trading tomorrow. So really, weed's looking good here. and it'll cancel out the possibility of this triangle not being done yet if we get above that B wave. So I really want to see that happen. Otherwise, this might just be, as I showed in the prior videos, relabeled and just a larger D wave as opposed to having just the DE and then up here. I won't get back into showing you that alternate label. You can just look at the previous video if you want to see what I'm talking about. But even if that was the case, it would mean we just have to have another corrective decline in E, and then finally a launch off in our new uptrend. But I'm still favoring that we're already in it, and that we already have our completed wave 4 triangle. But we'll have to see starting tomorrow. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Serial Trader signing off.